Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Crush the competition, she gon' work out. Training and condition, she gon' work out. Focus on nutrition, she didn't come to work out. What do you? Competition, she gon' work out. Crush the competition, she gon' work out. Training and condition.
What you doing? But you're turning. You're in the middle of the road.
Right here, bro. You just chill, bro. I will fight you, homie.
All right, go. Go on your way then.
Give me the floor. Stop tailgating. Stop fucking.
Bro, the left turn's right there on your left. All right, I got you. Come on, let's go on our way. We're blocking people.
The city show called the follow robberies, replacing teams of thieves genuinely looking at the street groups to target, follow, assault, and steal from unsuspecting victims. Recently, our rare
It's been a vice of square. The f is wrong with you?
Get off your phone. Get off your phone. What the f are you doing? Yo.
As we skimmed along into the rain and the windswept sky, I rapidly moved down the list. Randy, I'm giving a 2 on motive simply because he would have to kill his uncle as well to get anything out of it. I thought about it. But there was something Enoch said about Danny being...
Let's emerge. Jesus Christ! You have a camera. Yeah. You have a camera on you. And then...
Why are we slowing down? Get out of my way! Oh, f yourself.
You see the fucking red light?
You made. Yeah, you think that you got away. Got on
What's Elsa
That's the city I went to. Let's go! Pay attention! What's going on here?
Who knows?
You gonna go or what's going on, buddy? Get moving. Hey, let's go, buddy. Well, you gotta hold on to the cars here. There's plenty of parking in front of you. Jeez, there's parking right here.
The girl's laughing.
Are you close to Flamingo? Oh shit. God, he's quite young. I don't think he's going to kick it. He doesn't look that. You asshole! Wow. Something big going on there. Well, oh shit. Maniac? Oh shit.
And the music you did.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.